Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about fixing the authorization pending on Epic Games. First, you need to close the Epic Games launcher completely from your device and then press Ctrl Shift and ESC key on your keyboard. This will open a task manager. Or you can also right-click on your Windows icon and then tap on Task Manager to open it. Now find Epic Games Launcher or Epic Games Web Helper, right-click on it and then tap on End Task. Then reopen the Epic Games Launcher and try logging in again. Now try clearing the browser cache, which is very effective. If you're logging in via a browser, you need to go ahead and open a browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, then go to Settings. Here you need to go ahead and tap on Privacy Search and Services, then tap on Clear Browsing Data. Tap on Choose What to Clear and select Cache and clear it. If you're using your Google Chrome web browser, tap on the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, tap on Privacy and Security, then tap on Delete Browsing Data and select Cached Images and Files and tap on Delete Data in the bottom right corner and you'll be done. You can also try incognito mode. Disable VPN or proxy. Epic often blocks VPNs, so turn off your VPN, start the Epic Games Launcher, and try logging in again. Also check the date and time on your window. Incorrect system time can cause authorization issues. So make sure that your date and time is correct on your window and restart your PC. Log in via the Epic Game website first. Go to epicgames.com. Log in successfully and then open the Epic Games Launcher and it should auto-sync and remove the authorization pending message. So if you used Google, Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox to log in, log out of all accounts and log in using the same method you originally used. Do not mix login methods. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.